Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to do GST entry in TALLY Prime for beginners step by step. If you're new to TALLY Prime, learning how to record GST transactions correctly is very important. TALLY is one of the most widely used accounting software for GST compliance in India. Whether you're a business owner, a student, or an accountant, knowing how to enter GST transactions will help you maintain accurate records and file GST returns without any confusion. So let's get started. Step 1. Enable GST in TALLY. Before recording GST transactions, you must activate GST features in TALLY. Open TALLY ERP9 or TALLY Prime. Go to Gateway of TALLY, F11, Features Statutory and Taxation. Set Enable Goods and Services Tax, GST, to Yes. Enter your GST details like GSTIN, state, and applicable tax rates. Save the settings. Step 2. Create GST ledgers. To record GST transactions, you need to create different GST ledgers. Go to Gateway of TALLY, Accounts Info Ledgers Create. Create CGST, SGST, and IGST ledgers under Duties and Taxes. Set type of duty tax to GST and select the relevant tax rate. Save the ledgers. Next, create a sales ledger under Sales Accounts. Select GST applicable and choose the correct tax type, whether it's local or interstate. Similarly, create a purchase ledger under Purchase Accounts. Step 3. Record GST sales entry. Now let's record a GST sales entry. Go to Gateway of TALLY, Accounting Vouchers F8, Sales. Select the sales ledger with GST enabled. Choose the customer ledger and make sure the customer's GST details have already been added. Now add the stock items with their applicable GST rates. Select CGST, SGST, or IGST ledgers depending on the type of transaction. Finally, enter the invoice details and save the voucher. Step 4. Record GST purchase entry. To record a purchase transaction, go to Gateway of TALLY, Accounting Vouchers F9, Purchase. Select the purchase ledger. Choose the supplier ledger with GST details. Enter the purchased items along with their GST rates. Select the appropriate GST tax ledgers. Then save the purchase voucher. Step 5. Generate GST reports. Once you've entered your GST transactions, you can generate GST reports. Go to Gateway of TALLY, Display Statutory Reports, GST Reports. Here you can view reports such as GSTR1, GSTR2, and GSTR3 be based on your transactions. You can also export these reports in JSON format for filing on the GST portal. Using these steps, you can maintain accurate GST records, record sales and purchase transactions properly, and generate GST reports whenever required. And that's it. This is how you can do GST entry in TALLY Prime for beginners. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.